Welcome back to my channel, and more importantly, to day 22 of the 25-day countdown to October. And as I've been saying for the last few days, I know it's way into October. I've had a lot of hiccups going on, my bad. But anyway, as you can see, today's video is this little skull. I really like him. I think he's cute. And if you're making these, but you're making them in different colors, this one is going to look so good in so many different colorways. So without further ado, let's get into it. For today's video, you will need a 5mm hook and white yarn, and that's all you'll need. So to start off, I'm going to make a magic circle. I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to do 9 double crochets into the magic circle. Once you've done 9 double crochets, you're going to chain 5. You're going to do another double crochet into the magic circle. You're going to chain 3. And then you're going to do another double crochet into the magic circle. Then you're going to chain 5. And then you're going to pull everything nice and tight. And then you're going to slip stitch into that first space from the double crochet. And now you have something that looks like this. You're going to slip stitch, and in that same spot you're going to do a single crochet. And so you're going to proceed to do a single crochet in each of the 9 double crochets. And you're going to do 6 single crochets in this chain 5 space. And then into the top of that double crochet, you're going to slip stitch. You're going to chain 2. You're going to do 2 double crochets into that chain 3 space. And then you're going to chain 2 again. And then you're going to slip stitch into the top of that double crochet. And then you're going to do 6 single crochets into this chain 5 space. And then once you've slip stitched into that first single crochet, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to go around the entire thing with a single crochet to finish it off. So you're going to skip that slip stitch space, you're going to go into that chain 2, and you're going to do 2 single crochets. And then in the top of these double crochets, you're going to do 1 single crochet. And in this other chain 2 space, you're going to do 2 single crochets, skipping the slip stitch and going straight into the single crochet to finish up the trim. And then you're going to slip stitch into that into that first single crochet spot, chain 2, and pull out enough of a tail to sew everything down. And then he'll be a little kind of misshapen if your tension's really tight like mine was. For some reason my tension's always really tight when I'm showing you guys how to do stuff. And you can pull that through and pull it nice and tight. I am just going to weave in this end real quick. And then I'm going to try and find a good center spot for him. And like I was saying previously, if you're doing these in different colors, like say you're wanting a kind of more pastel or light color Halloween theme situation, like this would look really good in like light pink with like a hot pink background, or even white, any kind of like hot pink, light pink combination, or even purple. Hey, that would be really fun as well. Yes, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go straight in. I'm going to come out through that loop, and I'm just going to proceed to go back and forth with this all the way around the edge until I get back here. And then I'll weave in my end and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I finished sewing this down, and I went ahead and did my usual like tie off method in the back, and then weaved the thread between this layer and this layer to finish it off. And this is what it looks like. This one is unblocked, so it's still a little lumpy and bumpy, but once it's blocked, it'll look nice and smooth like this one and be very soft, or at least with the yarn I used, it's very soft. And it is still acrylic yarn, but it's very nice acrylic yarn. And then for tomorrow's video, there's not going to be any sew on portion. It's just going to be a square, and you will need yellow, orange, and white. So there's not really going to be any guessing. It's just going to be like a solid, kind of solid colored square. But you can make your guesses on what theme it's going to be, but I mean, it's pretty basic. And also, if you do make these, please post them on Facebook or Instagram and tag me in them. I would love to see your work. Absolutely love to see it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.